Hi, this is going to be Laura's first Hack the Hack video. Yes, I made that up today. So I brought this brand new dresser, which is awesome. And I am putting my stuff away. And I started putting away my socks and stuff, and I wanted some sort of drawer divider. So I Googled it, and I came up with some ideas and some videos. And they're all really cute, like little drawer divider things that you can buy from IKEA, the dollar store. That's great. Also things you can make with if you're crafty. Also great. None of which I have on hand. It involved felt, cloth, sewing, hot glue. I might have hot glue somewhere, but whatever. So I came up with my own idea. And what it is a file folder, because I have those on hand. So, you know, like the manila file folder that's kind of like really thin cardboard, but not cardboard. Anyway, so I took a file folder, cut it up. Worst videographer ever. Into these 5 pieces that are about the depth of my drawer that I want to put these in for my socks. Then I placed it in the drawer to see if it would fit. Folded the little ends to make it the right length. All just total guessing, doing a little folding, a little more folding, whatever. No measuring, because I'm not that fancy. Then I put sticky or double-sided tape on the ends because I don't want to put a hole in the drawer. I could use a tack is the other idea to attach this to the front and back of the drawer. But I don't want to pierce the wood if I have to because I'm funny like that. So here's what I'm doing. I'm just putting it in the drawer like this. I'm going to attach the tape to the front. I'm going to put it down. And to the back, straight as I can. This does not have to be an exact science because nobody cares. No one but me and my socks. Voila. Divider. Socks. Now those socks are not folded exactly perfectly the way I want them. I might fold them smaller like KonMari style, but that's the idea. Here's my finished drawer over here with 3 dividers, socks, bam. Hope you like it.